Hi guys, today I'm going to talk about this new product that I've bought, which is from a company called Hey Paparazzo. It's not sponsored, I bought this with my own money. What it's called is the Olivia, the all-in-one content creator tool in a box. So I paid about I think $60 NZ for this, and it took about 2 weeks delivery. So basically it's so that you don't have to have cables, tripods, ring lights, you name it, hanging around your desk. It's basically an all-in-one that you use. So let's just open this up, have a look, see what we have inside. It's just to make it a bit easier when you're filming videos and not to have, tripods and things lying around. It's just something you can take with you. You can use it. It fits in your bag. It's not heavy. So it comes with the standard cables. It's well packaged. Good delivery. Straightforward ordering. The website was pretty useful. It gave a lot of information on it. So there we go. This is the size of it. Everything that you need is in here. So it fits in the palm of my hand. It's not massive. It is massive. It is big, but not huge. We also have the iPhone Mini 12 on the top. So you can see the size there is quite good. It's not deep, but it is a good sturdy base, which is what you need when you extend it out. It is a bit heavy, but not to the point where it's too heavy that you wouldn't be able to carry it. It's a good size, ideal for handbag, your bag or whatever for travelling. Ideal for travelling, in fact, if you're like doing selfies and things like that or filming. So you pop it out at the back, you extend the part up like this. So this part is the base, so that's the part that you would use to keep on the floor or in your desk. It comes with a remote, which I'm going to work out on how to use. I think it's Bluetooth. I've not using it in this video. So then once you've pulled that out, it's the tripod part is here. So you pull that out. I'm just going to put this on the desk there now so I can pull it out a bit better. You unscrew it. Once you've unscrewed it, or if you pull it right out, you sometimes don't need to screw it. You can then remove this part. I'll just show you the now actually. Let me just turn this around the side. So you tilt it up like this. It's now sitting upright. You screw this part in. This is just to secure it. That's basically your base part. So here we have it extended. Because of the size of it, I extended it right up, which is why there's a wee gap in the video. So this is now the full extent of the tripod. It's 130 centimetres. I've attached my phone. I took my phone out of the cover on this occasion, but you don't actually need to. My phone actually fits with the cover on it. So that's ideal. So the box is telling us 130 centimetres, and this is on the floor and above up into as high as it can go on my desk. So as you can see, the light is on. It's great for if I want to sit at my desk and talk and do FaceTime, Skyping, anything like that. Tutorials or makeup tutorials. It's perfect. It's not on the desk, it's out the way. It is light here, so the light that I've got on possibly isn't showing too great. I'll try and do a video later on at night. So I've got it facing on the side that I'm sitting, but could easily move it to the other side of the desk. So as you can see, being upright, you could film yourself standing off in the distance, you can film yourself sitting down, you can move it to the other side of the table. So this is how big it is, 130 centimetres. So I'll put it on the table. I can't actually get a full wide shot of it because I'm currently filming on my iPad. So as I say, this is all slots into one another. Now, as it's new, it was a bit stiff to pull out, but that's understandable. So when you first get it, I would just pull out and move them up and down a few times just to loosen them up a bit. So I'll put it back on the floor because I'm going to push each bit down, and if I do that, it makes it a bit easier for you to see. So it's just each bit that you push down, it clicks into the next bit. So we'll just push a couple of bits down here. I'm just pushing them a wee bit further down in the now so that I can bring it back up into the table. So there we go. I've pushed the first couple of bits down so that you can see it, and it all clicks into place. So you just push and the next one clicks in and the next one clicks in. Again, because it's new, it's a bit stiff, so a couple of pushes up and down and that'll soon be fine. So there we go. Let me just push that down a bit. So there we are, that's on the desk. Now, as you can see, you can still film directly this way, sitting down. So we had it in the same position standing up. If you're standing up doing a full length tutorial or whatever, you've got a good stand there. This is it on the desk in the portrait view. So I can still be sitting here and filming. Again, if you want to move it to the other side of your desk, you can. If you want to Skype, FaceTime, TikToks, anything like that, it sits there. Now, as you can see, it's not taking up much space. You can still manoeuvre the camera. You could probably still fit a microphone in here if you want. You wouldn't obviously see the cables, but you could dangle a microphone or use a wireless mic if need be. And basically that is it sitting on the table. So I've got a stand-up desk, so I could leave it at that and then manoeuvre my stand-up desk and it would still be a good height. Or you could put it on the floor and extend it up. So yeah, that's pretty awesome to see it like that, and it doesn't take up much space. So if you were away somewhere, you could easily just pop that on a desk, pop it on a chair. Pretty ideal for travelling. So to extend it, again, you just pull each part up until it obviously clicks into place. Now this is the bendy part. This is the part that allows you to bend it to the angle that you require. This is the only part that has the bendy part. And due to the weight, you can understand why. So let me just move this to the side. As you can see, the desk is pretty good. It's got enough space underneath to be reading, to doing stuff. So for overhead shots, this is pretty ideal. You've got to get a bit of space. So if you're an artist, or you're drawing, or you're making crafts, or you're painting, or doing tarot cards, or I don't know, anything, show and tells, just have it hanging overhead. You're basically got enough room to move around. If you want to show people in the distance, something that you're doing in the distance, you can tilt it. Again, you're also getting to view it as well. You can also film yourself typing things on screen. Again, pretty straightforward and easy. You can see you're filming. If you tilt it this way, you can see what you're filming. You can see your overhead to make sure that you're in an angle. Once you know you're in an angle, you just leave it. You do your thing and that's your video done. So there you go, that's the Olivia all-in-one content creator box. If you'd like to see more videos on this and how I'm using it, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll get more videos uploaded now that I've got this and get my YouTube channel a bit better. Thanks for watching. Bye.